IHM Kolkata. Myself Saif Somnath Dalal. Would like to show you one classical French classical chicken dish, that is coq au vin. This is a chicken dish which is cooked in a red wine and with lots of vegetables like mushroom, carrot, salads. This is based with a smooth, a very smooth silky red wine sauce. So for this dish we needed the ingredients like we needed chopped onion, we needed celery, we needed salads, carrot, a little bit of chopped garlic, mushroom, we needed parsley, white pepper powder, salt, thyme, and a bit of refined flour and butter for the bimani. The chicken which I have taken with skin, we have just exposed the bones here and marinated with the red wine, a bit of thyme and garlic with a bit of salt. First of all, we will grill the chicken. It is basically a braised method, first roasting and then stewing. We needed this mushroom. If the mushroom is bigger in size, cut it half. Get ready your pan here, add some butter. You just saute the mushroom, saute some salads here. Chicken is cooked, I just flip it at the other side. Now I'm going to make the sauce here. I'll add butter. As we know, the French cuisine is mostly buttery. This coq au vin is mostly the Burgundy region, but in France you will get there are lots of varieties of coq au vin. If you go to Alsace region, where you will get vin, where is the Burgundy region, Bordeaux region, Burgundy region specially famous for red wine. So there we get this red wine based stew, braised chicken stew. And in other regions like Bordeaux regions or Medoc regions, you will get a varieties of coq au vin as per the availability of the local wine they use in the stew, which is usually served with a French loaf. So this is almost done. So meanwhile, I will do the, we need to add some chopped onion, thickness of onion is a roughly chopped onion we use here. And the method is not various way we can make this one. Sometimes we use beurre mani, sometimes we use direct flour and we cook it together with the onions. I'll use a little bit of garlic and chopped celery here. We'll stir it. I'll add a little bit of flour. Keep on continue cooking. So now I'm going to add the red wine here. Lots of red wine goes here with some thyme. pinch of salt, pinch of pepper powder, now I'll add a little bit of brown stock. You can add chicken stock, white stock also. I'll add the chicken here for stewing purpose. Also the carrots. And leave it for 15 minutes. So I'll just flip this on the other side of the chicken will be cooked. Well, French cuisine is one of the world's renowned cuisine because of its standardization, because of its classical recipes, and we can see the influences of the border countries like British, Germany, Italy, Switzerland, where we can see lots of border influences apart from their own signature dishes. Like British influences, lots of butter in the food. We can see the influence of apples in French cuisine, like crepe Normandy in France, which is from the Normandy region, and this is one of the popular crepe dessert, French dessert, which is being stuffed like the crepe, which is stuffed with apple. Then comes to the German. German is famous for sausages and sauerkraut, where we can see the influence of saucisson, which is in French we call it. So the saucisson influences in the French dishes. We can see the influences of cabbages as a coleslaw in French cuisine. And if you come to the Switzerland, there are lots of cheese influences in French cuisine, and the chocolate, of course, the chocolate in the dessert. The Italian influences we find more in French cuisine because of the Italian chefs' consultation in French cuisine after the French Revolution, and after the marriage of Queen Medici. When she came from Italy to France, she brought her Italian cook to France, and there this Italian chefs introduced their new innovative dishes. They started consultation with the French chefs, and they modified the food. As we know that George Auguste Escoffier is the father of French cuisine, and he introduced the 12 French classical menus as well as some other disciplinary factors in the kitchen, commercial kitchen especially. There we can see apart from this 12 French classical menu, there are 17 French classical menu by the influence of the Italian chefs, who has introduced some salade course, some oops course, the egg preparations, the farinaceous, the farina means the flour, farinaceous product, flour product, seems like the pasta. So this sort of influences we can find in this classical French dishes. After that, in the 17th century, Paul Bocuse, who has introduced nouvelle cuisine. So nouvelle cuisine is the modern version of the French cuisine. Still in the hotel we follow this nouvelle cuisine's concept, like minimizing of the portioning or standardizing of the portioning, fixed up with some standard weight of protein, carbohydrate, and serving some reduction instead of giving a huge amount of sausage. Now we can see these are the classical dishes. You can see the chicken which is cooked, or we are cooking in a prolonged method, the stew. Add a little bit of black pepper, a strong peppery flavor. Now I'm going to add the salad, fried salad, and mushroom here. Let's mix it, cover it, leave it for some time. Well, the chicken is cooked. Now coq au vin chicken will be transferred here. You take this leg. Okay. Now you place the vegetables and the stew surroundings. It's a very popular classical stew in France. Sprinkle some chopped parsley. You can put some sprig of parsley here. Can be served along with the French loaf or the toast, and enjoy with red wine.